In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add web form in Freshsales. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Freshsales account and you are on the main dashboard. On the left side navigation bar, look for the admin settings option. It is shown as a gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the admin area. This is where Freshsales keeps the settings that control how your CRM behaves, including the tools for capturing new leads from your website. Next, in the admin settings menu, find the section labeled Leads, Contacts, and Accounts. Click into that section and then select Web Forms. This page is where you create and manage forms that visitors can fill out online, and where Freshsales can automatically save those submissions as new records. Now you are ready to create a form. Click the Add Web Form button. Freshsales will open the form builder, where you can choose what information you want to collect. In the form builder, click Add Contact Fields. From here, select the fields you want to include, such as a name field and an email field. Add only the fields you truly need, because shorter forms are usually completed more often. After adding your fields, mark the essential ones as required. This helps ensure that Freshsales receives the minimum information you need to follow up properly, and it reduces incomplete submissions. Once your fields are set, configure what happens after someone submits the form. You can choose to display a custom message, which is useful for a simple confirmation like a thank you message. Or you can use a redirect URL to send the person to a specific page on your website, such as a confirmation page or a resource download page. Choose the option that best matches your website flow and what you want the visitor to do next. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, click Get Code Snippet. This will provide the HTML or JavaScript embed code for your form. Copy the entire snippet carefully. Finally, add the form to your website by pasting the snippet into your site's HTML body or footer, depending on how your site is built. After publishing your site changes, test the form by submitting a sample entry and confirming it appears correctly in Freshsales. That covers everything you need to know.